Maria Counts Pumpkins, written by Kitty Higgins, illustrated by Angela Kamstara. Focus question: what is the reason for this book? Please give the answers in the comments. Maria Counts Pumpkins. Maria has one pumpkin. Maria has two pumpkins. Maria has three pumpkins. Maria has four pumpkins. Maria has five pumpkins. Maria has six pumpkins. Maria has seven pumpkins. Maria has too many pumpkins.